Stop manually connecting nodes and searching for textures across a dozen different sites. Imagine having a massive library of professional 8K scans accessible directly inside your Blender viewport. One click and your entire PBR material is ready to render. Today, I'm going to show you how to automate your shading workflow. If you're still downloading zip files, unzipping them, and manually connecting roughness and normal maps in the shader editor, you are losing hours of creative time. The secret to photorealism isn't just the lighting, it's the quality of the data you're using. I've started using a library that completely bridges the gap between searching for assets and actually rendering them. Now, full transparency. This platform, called LotPixel, isn't just a free giveaway site. While they do have a massive section with over 1,350 assets that you can download right now without paying a cent, their real power is in their professional 8K library. We're talking about real-world scans. Whether it's weathered concrete, intricate fabric patterns, or hyper-realistic ground surfaces, these are designed to react perfectly with Blender's Cycles and Eevee engines. The level of detail you get at 8K is what separates a student project from a cinematic portfolio piece. But the reason I'm showing you this today is the LotPixel Hub Add-on. You don't even have to leave Blender. You just browse the library in the sidebar, find the scan that fits your scene, and hit import. The add-on automatically sets up the entire PBR node tree for you. It handles the scaling, the displacement, and the mapping instantly. It turns a 10-minute technical task into a 5-second artistic choice. So here is the move. If you're on a budget, go to the link in my description and grab those 1,300 free assets. Test them out, see the quality for yourself, and if you're doing professional client work or high-end architectural visualization, their premium library is one of the most cost-effective ways to level up your renders. I've pinned the link in the comments and put it in the description below. Check it out, speed up your workflow, and spend more time creating and less time shading. Thanks for watching Blend Tweaks. If you want more honest tools and professional Blender workflows, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next render.